This lovely day I'm going to fly my FMS Mustang P51D, the 800mm, so let's handle it. Today I have a little bit of strong wind coming from my right side, so I have to pick up speed when I go downwind. I have a lot of lift when I face the wind. This flight is on a 3S 850 milliamp battery. And I think all these FMS 800mm warbirds becomes much more fun when you fly them on a 3S battery, although they are 2S and 3S compatible. I really think that 3S makes all the difference. And on my FMS Mustang P51D, this one, I've installed flaps as a project to try it, but I haven't really liked them because it's a little bit difficult. They do make the RC plane balloon a little bit too much, and then honestly I would rather just keep it as simple as possible. But I did it, and just to try it. So I did the same on my FMS T28, the 800mm, and the flaps on the T28 worked great, but somehow it didn't work as good on this Mustang then. So as I've flown quite many warbirds, I think this size could be nice, but I also think that they are a little bit too small to be visible in a good way in the sky. And I think you quite easily could over control them, so I would suggest to run them on something like 70% rate. Right now I'm actually running them on 100% rate, but you can make it work quite good. But it's so easy to over control them, and this is not a slow flying RC airplane like the larger E-Flight Mustang P51D. The 1.2 meter Unite. The Unite is a really excellent slow flying RC airplane. The flaps works without any ballooning. But this plane, especially when you have some tricky wind, you really have to keep up speed. And I think all these FMS mini warbirds, they are best utilized to have them and to hand launch them. So my absolute favorite FMS 800mm warbird is the Corsair F4U, and it's a really fantastic mini warbird if you want to keep one. And I also think that the T28 is really nice, but I'm not too fond of this Mustang. So I'm just trying to get this one down. So I have a lot of lift when I'm facing the wind. And then when I go downwind, I have to keep up speed. So I'm trying just to slow it down, lose some altitude. And it's always tricky just to get it down with these small planes when there is I have to fight the wind. So you can see it drops when I'm going downwind, and it balloons when I'm facing the wind. So let's see if I can. No. Okay, so let's go around once more then. We have to pick up speed because this plane will really tip stall if you fly too slow. Was an okay landing for this FMS. So I mean, it's not my favorite, this Mustang of the FMS mini warbirds. Then I would certainly pick the Corsair over this one. But I mean, it's fun. You can see the flaps also. So thank you for watching.